I know.
Me on camera and painting a garage.
I know, really getting out of your comfort zone.
Yeah, a little bit.
Hi everyone, Laura with Mural Dreams here, and my very special guest today is Paul Stratton.
Hi.
My very darling friend, greatest supporter, amazing artist, and just an awesome being. So today he's gonna join me in painting this garage door because this is so last year, right Paul?
Yes.
Yeah,
Last
it
year.
needs like a 2020 makeover.
We need to zoom up.
Zoom up,
Zoom up.
let's do it. Cool.
There's our alien.
Alright, no fear, right?
Yeah.
Fine, it's just paint, Paul. It's nothing.
It's my heart just to clear on the line because it's being photographed. But no pressure. Rebel right to the end.
Oh yeah. Burn the cloud. With a rebel yell, she cracked on the door. My first collab with a grown-up, Paul.
Oh gosh. Well, I wouldn't promote that because you have to have a grown-up collaborating with.
Unless you don't want to identify as
I've never been accused of being a grown-up. I don't know how I feel about this.
Yeah, let's add some stars. So do you have like a method of putting stars?
I've never done stars with paintbrushes. I have a method, but it's a specialized digital paintbrush, so that doesn't help us. Even with markers, a lot of times what I'll do with markers is, since they're alcohol based, I'll go in with the alcohol blender and just kind of dot it.
It's coming together, don't worry. We just have to work on it some more. It's not all. Don't judge too harshly.
I'm trying not to.
Do you have mantras?
Do I have mantras?
Yeah. Like words that uplift you and...
I like to consider the Scooby-Doo theme song a mantra.
Oh, that's too funny.
I've tried, I just haven't had anything that I'm really, like that really works for me that way. I don't know if I ever told you, there's a thing that I just found out about, probably about 9 months ago, called aphantasia.
You mentioned that.
Well, my whole life, my whole adult life, I kept trying to do visualization classes and visualizing, and it doesn't happen because I see nothing. I see nothing but black when I close my eyes. So I found that meditation and those type things stressed me out. Like really stressed me out.
No, I just got a new mantra last night.
Oh, you count.
I mean, for me, a mantra is a thing that I tell myself in order to it's kind of like a encouragement, like a motivation that keeps me going and reminds me of the things that I need reminding, like, for example, to not judge. So usually my mantra would be like breathe or trust the flow whenever I would find myself worrying or but I judge too much and I really don't like to judge, and I think it's like a remnant from my mom. Yeah. She who's very judgmental.
I think also from our society.
Yeah.
I mean, we're based on comparison and judging.
Yeah.
I agree.
So last night, I don't know, I'm like, don't judge. And I kept repeating myself to myself, and like, that should be a mantra. That should be something that I can look at all the time and remember. Because it's important for me to remember to not judge.
Well, Sharon and I did some things that she's still more involved with it than I am, called access consciousness. But one of the things that we like for when you find yourself judging or finding others judging is the phrase, it's an interesting point of view. Because basically everything we think of is a point of view, it's not viewpoint.
Right, it's a belief.
Yeah, if we can get into viewpoints, you get to see everything. But when we're in point of view, then we get, monofocus and you can't see all the other possibilities.
Yeah, very good.
Because what people watching the news do, they get the point of view of fear. Because they don't see, that exists in the world, but look at all the other things that exist.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, the media only tells you bad things.
Yeah.
If you're looking for trouble in the world and to be depressed, just turn on the TV.
Yep.
Look at the news.
It's true. The theme is important.
Yeah.
And it sets the whole tone.
One thing you cannot do with acrylic paint is stop in the middle of a stroke.
Oh!
Because otherwise it's gonna dry. I've never painted something like this.
You could have just ended at painted for me.
You painted! No more.
The dragon eye, that's the only thing I have. Well, I have a half-finished Medusa. And she was coming out really cool.
Yeah.
And then I got those glowy neon kind of colors. And I tried using some of the green. It just totally ruined it. So I have to go back at some point and redo. And she had this really eerie green look that was cool. Until I brightened it up. It was too bright for her.
That's my mantra.
What's that?
It's not too late to erase.
Not too late. I like it.
How's my crow?
I like it. I don't think my crow's too happy about having his friend being abducted, but...
Yeah. I have a whole story here.
I know.
This is good and creepy, Paul.
Yeah, well, that's why you called me. That's another thing that I don't do well.
Really?
Yeah. Like Sharon will eat foods with her fingers. I can't do it. Like wings and stuff. Because I just don't have that in me.
Well, I really took you out of your comfort zone today.
You really did. That's not a bad thing.
Oh, thank you so much.
It was so much fun.
It was so much fun. I hope the camera's capturing all of this.
How long has it been? I'm going to be in shock though for a few days, getting over being out of my comfort zone.
Thank you so much for helping me.
Thanks for inviting me. This was a blast.
This was.
Yeah. It was cool hanging out. Anything, because the guy plays the guitar, he did a lot of parody songs. I see the guitar arm passing my face as he leans down and goes, "Madam, it's having sex with dead people, now shut up."